Do you ever feel like your credit score is a big, mysterious number that's just out of your control? You know it's important for getting a loan or a new credit card, but how do you actually influence it? Well, what if I told you there's a powerful tool right in your pocket that can demystify your credit score and help you take charge of your financial future? That's right, I'm talking about the Revolut Credit Score Tool. Revolut isn't just about sending money and currency exchange anymore. They've integrated a credit score feature directly into their app, making it incredibly easy to see where you stand and get insights on how to improve. So, how does it work? Revolut has partnered with a major credit bureau to give you a real-time look at your score. You can see your number, and more importantly, get a breakdown of what's affecting it. This isn't just a random number, it's a reflection of your financial habits. The tool shows you exactly what factors are impacting your score, things like payment history, credit utilization, and the length of your credit history. But the best part is the what-if scenarios. You can play around with different actions and see how they might affect your score. For example, what would happen if you paid off a credit card balance? The tool can give you an estimate of the positive impact, which is a fantastic motivator. Revolut also sends you alerts when there are changes to your credit report, so you can stay on top of things and spot any potential fraud or errors. It's like having a personal financial watchdog, all in one app. This tool takes something that can feel complex and intimidating and makes it simple, visual, and actionable. It's the kind of feature that empowers you to build a healthier financial life, step by step. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.